Thank you so much for being here. Kelly did show a chart there. We talked about it bouncing around a little bit, but shares up about 9% at this point. You know, some people will point to a short squeeze or say it's Wall Street bets and the Reddit crowd, but I bet you credit that rise to something else.
Well, we look at that share price over a number of days as people, as you said, digest the story. But we do credit to, a consistent sequential performance, 4 quarters of growth after several years of decline, growth in sales, growth in margin, growth in share. So we're feeling really strong about not only this quarter, but how it steps us into our 3-year transformational plan, which began in Q1 of 2021.
And talking about that plan, I mentioned the own brands. These are private labels, things that you've created that consumers can only buy at Bed Bath & Beyond. I know you're just in the beginning of this, but because this is going to make up a bigger portion of revenue in your transformation plan than we've seen in Bed Bath & Beyond's history, give us a taste of how it's going so far and how consumers are reacting.
Yeah, consumers are embracing these new own brands. I think our careful curation of our rooms and categories punctuated by the own brands and complemented with the best national brands is what our customers are looking for. And so the early signs are terrific, Courtney. The adoption of the product has been strong. The online ratings are exceeding our averages for our total website. Customers are loving this product. They're repeat purchasing. And as you said, we're only just beginning. Now, the benefits are truly around that differentiation and that authority, but they're also margin accretive. And we saw some good margin gains at the initial launches, which we see ourselves cementing to the second quarter and through the second half of the year.
Mark, it's Kelly here. I just have a question because for so many of us, Bed Bath & Beyond was that rite of passage visit as you're going to college and you're picking out the dorm sheets and the mini fridges and all the rest of it. We've seen numbers showing that college enrollment is actually down quite a bit lately, both because of the pandemic, but also for demographic reasons. Is that a headwind?
Look, we actually see a tailwind here, and I think it's an exciting time for us. We had a great back-to-college period last year in 2020, which was literally a non-move event, and we were up 23% by getting our assortment, our pricing, our communication, our service together. This year, we come into this event with all of our own brands in play. We launch next month our Squared Away brand, which is our new storage and organization brand, really important for the back-to-college period. But regardless of those ups or downs in terms of the enrollment, there's an interesting phenomenon that was raised with me that's going on. This year is remarkable because you see both the freshman and the sophomore year taking their first journey to that major move, that to you mentioning that life moment move, multi-generations coming into the store and online, picking out what they want their dorm room to look like and experiencing that together. We think this is not only a terrific sales moment, but an opportunity for new and existing customers to experience the new Bed Bath & Beyond in terms of our stores, our pricing, and that all-important new assortment.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.